Friends, this video is about the OPPO F21 Pro review and specification. So let's start the video. Friends, this is OPPO F21 Pro smartphone. The OPPO latest smartphone that is available in two colors. The first one is sunset orange and the second one is cosmic black, as you can see on the screen. The look of OPPO F21 Pro is very beautiful because fiberglass and leather are also used in the manufacturing of this smartphone. OPPO F21 Pro smartphone is ultra slim and flat-edged smartphone that looks very beautiful. The orbit light of this smartphone reminds you of all your important notifications, even when the phone is placed upside down. OPPO F21 Pro mobile phone is available with 33-watt fast charger that save your time during charging. We can take bright and clear selfies in every light with this smartphone. Main camera of OPPO F21 Pro is 64 megapixel that can take clear photos in every light. This mobile phone have a AMOLED eye care display that can save your eyes from side effects. If unfortunately this smartphone is fell down in water, then don't worry because this is waterproof smartphone. If your hands are busy, no issues. The smartphone sensor enables air gestures. OPPO F21 Pro is available with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. That is very big memory. You can play games on this smartphone of your own desire. The expected price of this smartphone is $450.